Hello everyone, this is Shilpa Sathe and today I am going to do angel card reading for the coming week, that is from 15th February 2021 to 21st February 2021. So let's see what blessings angels are showering upon us in the coming week. This is blessing for group number 1, blessing for group number 2 and blessing for group number 3. Now let's see what actions we can take in the coming week. Actions for group number 1, action for group number 2 and action for group number 3. So this is group 1, group 2 and group 3. Now you just have to look at the card and select one group intuitively for yourself, and that is your message from your angels to you. Now let's see what blessings angels are showering upon group 1. Aurora, you are flying high right now, which may threaten others, but don't descend because others will soon become inspired by your example. So those who have selected group number 1, angels are showering upon you blessings of new opportunities which will help you to grow. And angels are also telling you that you don't have to worry about people around you if they will feel jealous because of your current or future success. You just have to do your part and you just have to enjoy doing that. And angels will take care of that jealous energy because this is the blessing that they are showering upon you. And soon these people who you feel might be jealous of you will start getting inspired because of your success. How does it get better than this? What else is possible? Now let's see what angels are guiding you. What actions angels are guiding you. Kali, endings and beginnings. Old must be released so that new can enter. So angels are showering upon you the new opportunities for your growth, and they are guiding you to release whatever old things you or old point of views you are holding on to. Because when it comes to growth, it is going out of your comfort zone, and to go out of your comfort zone and to grow, you have to do something which you have never done before. So angels are telling you to do something that you haven't done yet, and for that you will have to release your old point of views or your old belief systems in the coming week. Now let's see what blessings angels are showering upon group 2. Serena, I am the angel of abundance. You will receive the money you need, and God is in charge of how that will happen. Have faith. How does it get better than this? What else is possible? So coming week, angels are blessing you with abundance energy and money, and angels are asking you to release all your worries and care about how things will happen. The angels are telling you to surrender the situation and be open to receive, because the more you will surrender, the more you will receive. Angels are supporting you in unexpected way of how you will receive money or how you will receive abundance in your life. You just don't go into how. Have faith in angels or God, whoever you believe in, and they will help you to receive everything that you desire in an unexpected way. How does it get better than this? What else is possible? Now let's see what actions angels are guiding you to take in the coming week. Ostara, fertility. It is the perfect time for you to start new project, access new ideas, and give birth to new conditions. So angels are blessing you with abundance and money, and they are guiding you to do something new. May it be giving birth to new idea or a new project, or just changing your current situation wherein you are feeling depressed or heavy, and just change that situation with feeling light and feeling enthusiastic or excited about what angels are going to shower upon you, what blessings angels are shower upon you, and how it is going to unfold. Just be curious about everything that is going to happen in this week, and by shifting your energy and following your awareness, you will receive that abundance which angels are showering upon you in the coming week. How does it get better than this? What else is possible? Now let's see what blessings angels are showering upon group 3. Teresa, time out. You have been so busy taking care of everyone else's needs, but now it's time to stop and take care of yourself. So group 3, angels are telling you that you have been working very hard to take care of other people's needs, wants, and take care of other people's emotions, that you were somewhere feeling that you are responsible for other people's emotions, and it is your job or it is your duty to take care of them. But this week, angels are going to shower upon you situations wherein you will be able to prioritize what you truly desire, or what you want, or what you need, and you will be able to take care of yourself. How does it get better than this? What else is possible? Now let's see what actions angels are guiding. Aim, leap of faith. Take risk and put your heart's true desire into action. So angels are going to shower upon you the situations wherein you will get an opportunity to follow your what you truly desire, and angels are telling you to have faith in them, and they are telling you to take a leap of faith and put your heart's true desire into action. It is enough of procrastinating about your dreams, and follow your dreams now. It's high time. And somewhere in the back of the mind, you have asked for it, and you were craving somewhere to fulfill your dreams or desires, and that's why coming week angels are showering upon you these opportunities. So take care of what you truly desire. Angels will shower upon you these such situations. You just have to do your action part of following your heart's desire. Now this was the card reading for this week. Stay tuned for next week. Till then, stay blessed and be happy. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.